Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Happy Friday, and hope everybody has a good weekend. Overnight, grain prices are a little bit lower. We've got the dollar higher, crude lower. It looks like the stock market is also going to open up lower. There's some indications that consumers are not buying a lot here in the United States. Inventories are growing, manufacturers are reducing production, and that could spell a little negative news for our economy and our equity markets. We'll have to kind of watch that pretty closely. It's off and on whether the Feds are going to raise interest rates next week. Most doubt they will. That's offered some support in the stock market yesterday, but we should open up lower today. For the week, corn's down about 13 cents, beans down 30 cents, and wheat 2 to 5 cents. Seems like as we get closer to the harvest, we're seeing a little bit lower prices. Funds taking off some of their long position in the beans, adding to their near record position, short positions in wheat, adding to their large corn short positions. Early corn harvest yields are doing a little bit better than what we started out with. In Illinois, we're getting some pretty high corn yields. Bean yields are still above expectations. We did see some heavier than expected rains overnight in parts of eastern Nebraska, southern Minnesota, and Iowa. We got 3 to 5 days of open weather, and then more rains are coming for that area. So soils there are saturated, and we'll see if that slows harvest down there. We did note that Gulf freight rates collapsed yesterday, down about $2 from where we were a year ago, suggesting that global shipments of goods is slowing. And traditional funds yesterday, they were buyer of beans, meal, and oil, but sellers of corn and wheat. So we'll see if we're in this kind of trading range with end users waiting to buy the harvest lows and farmers, especially in corn, unwilling to sell at these lower prices. So in general, kind of sliding into the weekend at lower prices. We'll see on Monday what kind of weather we have, what kind of yields we're getting as the harvest progresses, and just how low is low in some of these prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.